This is Brian Wallace from CLA, the Laundry Association, and I'm sharing an important advocacy legislative update on, in particular, the microfiber filtration mandates that we've been battling in New York State. Well, as we sit here today, I'm happy to report that the New York State legislature has adjourned, and despite some very close calls and some arduous effort, none of the microfiber related bills became law, and we have the opportunity to live and fight another day. So as a quick recap for those of you that may not have been following it, we've been seeing lots of legislation in as many as 5 or 6 or 7 states that would require every washing machine sold to have its own microfiber filtration system, down to 100 microns of filtration, which we feel is not feasible, at best very costly and very cumbersome to try to execute on in the laundromat environment. So we got to work in New York around September of 2025 on this most recent set of bills, and through a lot of direct engagement and education with the bill sponsors, key committees, and central staff in both legislatures, we've been able to educate those folks a little bit better on what the potential negative impacts could be on the laundromat industry. Just as recently as Memorial Day, there was additional legislation introduced that perhaps would have been even more challenging to us. Instead of 100 microns, down to 10 microns. We went through a period where there was a retrofit requirement on the table. That would mean every single laundromat would have to either re-equip totally with machines that have a filter or install some kind of facility-wide filtration. So you can see how challenging this particular set of bills would have been for us. But we did work our way through and find ourselves in the clear for the moment. We fully expect that this legislation will be back next year, and we certainly plan to build on the relationships that we've built and the education that we've shared. We certainly will have some off-session work to do in terms of further engagement with the appropriate parties, and just make sure that people better understand, while we are very sympathetic to the challenge posed by microfiber and microplastics pollution, we need to think long and hard about how to best address that at the laundromat or the home washer or the apartment laundry. These are all things that were part of these recent conversations. So I should also note that there's an active bill in Illinois, but Illinois adjourned. There's a bill that we're watching very closely in New Jersey. They have not adjourned yet, but our latest information is that we expect no action on that bill. We also feel good about the legislation that was introduced in Hawaii and Washington State a bit earlier this year. But suffice it to say, we're keeping our eye on everything, and we know that this issue is pressing and that we need to continue to be vigilant and represent the best interests of our industry. I'd like to thank everybody involved who provided strategic support, technical support, and of course financial support. And I'd like to take the opportunity to thank our CLA Strategic Corporate Ally Partners at the very elite level. That's Alliance Laundry Systems, Sense, Continental Laundry Systems, Dexter Laundry, and Eastern Funding. They have stepped up in a major way to support the organization, particularly when it comes to advocacy, as well as our premier level sponsors at Clean Cloud, Laundry Lux, and Setomatic Spider Wash. Thank you to each and every one, and we look forward to further rallying, both again, education, having the right strategies in place, and also frankly fundraising to make sure that we've got the resources in place to effectively support our position and get it across. So as always, you can find the best information on all of this at laundryassociation.org. And if you're not currently a member as a store operator, I don't know what else we can do to prove the value of what the association brings beyond representing your best interests. So please take this opportunity to become a member and add your voice to the thousands of voices that we have advocating for our industry. So I'll provide more updates as warranted. Thank you all for your support, and we look forward to checking in with you again next time.